Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our comprehensive online tutorial where we will provide you with essential instructions for the NUMS MDCAT exam day and delve into the intricacies of understanding the NUMS OMR sheet. If your goal is success in the exam, accurately filling out the OMR sheet is absolutely vital. We are here to guide you through each step, ensuring you will be well prepared to confidently handle the OMR sheet. Let's begin with important instructions for exam day. On the day of the exam, you should park your vehicle at the designated center parking area. Remember that no family members are permitted to accompany you in the test center. Before entering the exam center, a security check will be conducted. We strongly advise you to bring your admit card along with your original CNIC, NICOP, passport or B form along with your original metric certificate containing your photograph. This is mandatory. Once security checks are complete, you will proceed to your examination center. Seating arrangements have been posted at each center for your convenience. Your next step is to locate your assigned roll number and take your designated seat. The test center will close at 9 a.m. We kindly request you to arrive at least half an hour before that time. When coming to the test center, please refrain from bringing any handbags, plain papers, and edible items. Please note that mobile phones, smartwatch, calculators, cameras, and electronic devices are strictly prohibited within the test center premises. Inside the exam room, you are only allowed to have a clipboard and a black or blue ballpoint. Do not bring gel pens, pointers, correction fluid, pencils, or any similar item. Weapons are strictly prohibited within the test center. Engaging in inappropriate behavior or using unfair means will result in immediate disqualification. Now let's delve into the details of OMR sheet. OMR sheet, which is your answer sheet, is a paper-based form with predefined answer options that respondents fill to provide responses, which are then read and processed electronically. The exam consists of two parts. Part 1 entails answering 150 MCQs within 2 hours and 30 minutes, accounting for 95% of the total weightage. You will also receive the OMR sheet for Part 2 during the test. Part 2 involves a psychological assessment lasting 30 minutes and contributing 5% of the total weightage. The magenta sheet is for Part 1 and the orange sheet is for Part 2. On your screens, you will find the OMR sheet displayed. Let's begin by understanding the provided instructions, moving from left to right. The top left corner, Block 1, includes instructions for completing the answer sheet. Beneath that, there is a space for your signature as a candidate. Next, in Block 2, write your roll number. In Block 3, provide your basic information. In Section 4, fill the question paper code. Finally, in this section, you will fill your answers on the sheet. Now let's discuss each block in detail. Use only black or blue ballpoint on your answer sheet. When filling in your roll number, proceed from left to right. Do not use any form of cutting, erasing, or correction fluid. Fill the circle complete and dark. Remember, incomplete or light circles won't be read by the machine. Do not fold the sheet. After receiving your question paper, please fill block 4 as per the code given on the right upper corner of your question paper and sign the OMR sheet at the designated place. Before you begin shading the roll number circles, take a moment to write your 7-digit roll number in the boxes provided above. Then match the corresponding circle below each box with the appropriate digit. Let's take a look at an example to clarify this process. Starting with the first digit, which is 0, proceed to fill in the circle located in the first column. Similarly, for the next digit, which is 2, make sure to fill in the circle in the second column. Moving on, for the third digit, which is 5, ensure that the circle representing 5 is properly filled. Next digit is 1. As indicated in the dummy roll number, locate the digit 1 in your column and fill in the corresponding circle. As we move forward, the next digit is 9. Locate the digit and fill the circle. Following that, find the digit 3 in your roll number and fill in the corresponding circle in the column below. Pay careful attention to each step to maintain accuracy. Lastly, for the final digit, which is 7, locate the digit 7 in the column below and properly fill the circle. Remember, this section must be filled in accordance with your specific roll number. Moving on, provide your basic information as per the admit card. This includes your name, CNIC, father's or guardian's name, test center, test city, and date. All entries should be in capital letters within the designated blocks. Once you have received your question paper, you will find the code in the upper right corner, which could be either code A, B, C, or D. Fill in the corresponding circle on the answer sheet. In the example, code A is indicated on the question paper, and we have filled the circle for code A on the answer sheet. Please ensure to write your name, roll number, and CNIC on your question booklet before you start answering the questions. Since we have covered the instructions, let's move on and discuss how to answer the questions on the answer sheet. For each question on the question paper, you will be provided with different answer options. Select the best option and shade the corresponding circle on the answer sheet. For example, question number 1 is, who was the founder of Pakistan? You are given 4 options: Allama Iqbal, Liaquat Ali Khan, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, and Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. The best option is D. So shade the circle for D next to question number 1 on your answer sheet. Follow this procedure for all the questions using only blue or black ballpoint and ensure the circles are fully shaded. Please note that in part 1 you will have 4 choices available for selecting your answer, while in part 2 there will be 7 options from which you can choose your answer. It is important to select the most appropriate answer, and kindly note that selecting more than one answer will be considered incorrect. Attendance sheet. On the attendance sheet, write your roll number, name, serial number, and code. Also, provide your signature. The serial number is the 5-digit number at the bottom right of your question paper, and the code is located at the top right of the question paper. Kindly hand over both your question paper and answer sheet to the invigilator before leaving the test center. And that concludes our tutorial. You are now equipped to confidently handle the NUMS OMR sheet. Remember, attention to detail and accuracy is crucial to ensuring your hard work pays off. Wishing you best of luck, and may your exam reflect your dedication and knowledge. Thank you for joining us, and happy studying.